Hi, welcome back to a new page in my index card art channel. Today I'm playing with the second side of my Distress Oxide background. I'm using a piece of acetate to apply the color to the background, and I dry every layer in between. The circle stamp is a stamp from Viva Las VegaStamps. I'm using Memento ink because I want to go in with alcohol markers. I use the markers to intensify the colors in the circle. I'm stamping my title on a piece of white cardstock and cut it into strips. Finally, I glue the words down and also the butterfly. The butterfly is a free printable and I printed it onto vellum. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!